Hi, welcome to our channel. This is called Google Search Console setup for the any kind of websites like HTML, PHP, any kind of website will be same procedure if you have with along with your cPanel option. And this I'm selecting one of the websites called Sri Gayatri Mata Astrologist. Open for the Search Console and open here. Is the first time login will be like this. Click for Start Now. They're using for two options. Google Search Console, what are the keyword you are promoting, how much traffic will be generating, clicks and link clicks, everything visible the report by the Search Console option. Here, right now I have zero website. Click for add property, the show will be like this. One is the domain, second will be URL prefix. Here copy the URL, select option name is called URL prefix. The verification process will be 5 steps. The steps are here. We'll go to first step, download the file, upload on cPanel, and this upload file will be all web pages and Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and domain name providers. So which is useful? We can verify entire option. See this one. I'll show you one by one. Click for what is option? Download here. Go to cPanel, file manager, where the file is uploaded, public underscore HTML. How many files you download, how many files upload, everything is the public underscore HTML. Here only one file, you download the file will be here. Upload, select it, download option. Where is the file? Download. Here. But I'm doing one. Verify. If it is not verified, the file is not uploaded properly. If it is verified, the file will upload will be properly done. But finally, what is called? Ownership verified. Go to property. Start. Here is everything. If you go to settings, remaining one also you can confirm your ownership. Only one is done. HTML tag is there, Google Analytics is there, tag manager is there, and domain provider also there. Click will be here. See this one. Copy this syntax. Which one? Record DNS configuration of the year. Copy the text file. Where you can purchase the domain, you can here. This is not required, but I make verify will be HTML tag. Copy the file. This will be done by the developer, not your task. First one easy. Why? You can download the file, upload the cPanel option. But this one, this file we can upload by the all web pages. How many web pages you want? You can upload the all web pages. These pages will upload by the all pages. Copy. Any kind of website we design by the common file will upload by the every web pages. That is called header page. Anyone we can upload by the common. Here one question is there. Sir, already we download this file. This also verify required or not? Not required. Just I'm showing for how to verify the two things. Now click for verify. It also will be done. The showing for tick mark will be done by two steps. One is the download file. Second will be upload that code into the all web pages. Clarity purpose. Here is the code. Open the node. It is the code. Okay. For example, select your home page. Control is nothing but page source. Control F. Uploaded. Go with other page. Any other page. Canada. Control U. Control F. Control V. Code is uploaded. Each and every page upload the code will be here. In the two things, one is enough. Which one? Download file is enough. No need required for the second option. But I'm showing for second option will be also applicable. Is it clear? So this is the option will be verified. Your particular option name is called Google Search Console setup procedure. Any file uploaded by the public underscore HTML code, anything will be copied from where? All web pages. So that is a very, very important. Anybody you can facing the search console, in fact, any issues, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel.